everyone. Fruit name is English and Urdu. Apple. Apple meaning सेब. Orange. Orange meaning Malta. Pear. Pear meaning नाशपाती. Watermelon. Watermelon meaning तरबूज. Grapes. Grapes meaning अंगूर. Date. Date meaning खजूर. Cherry. Cherry meaning cherry. Strawberry. Strawberry meaning strawberry. Mango. Mango meaning आम. Apricot. Apricot meaning खुबानी. Grapefruit. Grapefruit meaning चकोतरा. Melon. Melon meaning खरबूजा. Damson. Damson meaning आलू हबारा. Papaya. Papaya meaning पपीता. Coconut. Coconut meaning नारियल. Peach. Peach meaning आड़ू. Guava. Guava meaning अमरूद. Lychee. Lychee meaning लीची. Sapodilla. Sapodilla meaning चक्कू.